Hi guys, mwani wa lero. Today ndikufuna tikambirane za stocks, mashares ndi chinthu chimene makampani amati akakhala pasi ndikuganizira kuti tikufuna tizipange list pa the stock market. So they go through all the necessary paperwork with the Reserve Bank and all other institutions involved, and then they get listed on the stock market, and they will say Tibanga release kandi 30% of our ownership to the public, kandi 40% of our ownership to the public. And then once that 40% has been released to the public and they have agreed kuti share price ikalejani, individuals now start coming to buy aliyese bangono, or even some companies will buy mashares aja. So it is actually a very good way of owning some big companies, even with that small amount that you have. So it is one of the investments that are highly recommended as well. So ndibanga focus kwambiri on the Malawi Stock Exchange market. However, whichever country you are in, please do contact the stock exchange market in the country that you are in. As long as you're a legal citizen, you can invest on their stock market. Kandi Johannesburg Stock Exchange market, kandi Dar es Salaam Exchange market, kandi London, wherever you are, please make sure you start investing on the stock market. So first things first, how you invest on the Malawi Stock Exchange market is I need you to go on website yao and their Facebook page. Go and read. They post a lot of information there that is easy to grasp even for beginners. Easy to learn. Per website bao, you will even find my statement of the companies that are listed. You can read the statements and understand kunena gudi, how do these companies work, how do they make money, is it going to benefit me ndigagula mashares mu company A or company B, whatever the case. So do look into that and make it a habit to start following the business news ku Malawi as well, and whatever country you are in, so you understand what is going on. So you will contact a broker. Ku Malawi we have 3 brokers that individuals can deal with. Yes, you can buy shares using my financial institutions, but they operate differently to these brokers that I'm going to talk about. So there are 3 brokers. You have Stock Brokers Malawi, you have Cedar Capital, and then you have Continental. I personally am with Stock Brokers Malawi. I love their service. They've been good to me. So far, the relationship is great. So please do contact any one of the 3 brokers and get the information that they can give you. Get my form. Once you receive my form, you fill them in, and then you need to return them with your ID, your payslip or bank statement. I'm going to give a list of documents that you need to attach with the forms when you return them. Once you return the forms, it will take, if everything is in order, it can take up to a week for your account to be set up. The account that they're going to open for you is called a securities account. In abbreviated form is a CDS account. And it is free to open this account. There is no stockbroker that is going to charge you money to say, to simply an account, so you need to give us 5,000 waja. No, it is free. So please make sure you get it done. Once you have opened your account, you then need to decide which companies you want to invest in. So after you have read the information, you will then decide, okay, invest in company A and company B. It's advisable to spread your eggs. Don't invest in just one company, simply because it is a business. So try and diversify. If you have 100,000 waja, you can say 50,000 ugu, 50,000 ugu. If you have 200,000 waja, you can say ndiambandima company for 50, 50, 50. It's all up to you, but just make sure you try and diversify. Also try and have a target. You can say, okay, ndufuna ndiambe muna 500 shares per company. So how much do I need? So if this company is selling my shares for 20 kwacha per share, and my target is 500, so you will do the math. 20 times 500, you get your total. You'll tell yourself, okay, Mwezu, no, I can afford this money. I'm going to buy shares in company A. Then next month you buy shares in company B, and then so on and so forth. Now what you then do is also Once you have opened the account, the broker will send you an account number where you need to deposit your money. Ukabanga deposit ndrama zija, you send them the proof of payment with an instruction to say ndaimenda kutumizira ni mundigulira my shares in company A, company B, company C, or just company A, if that's where you want to start. Once your purchase has gone through, they will send you what is called a deal note. There are some times where my shares of the company you have requested are not available for various reasons. What the broker will then do is they would advise you to say, do you want us to hold, or you would like us to purchase my shares in another company? You can ask them to hold, or you wait, when they hold, you wait until the shares are available and then they can purchase them for you. Investing on the stock market has three main advantages. Number one is the dividends. When the company is doing well, imali bilama profits. Some companies pay twice a year, some companies pay once. Second benefit is your capital gains. Utaugula mashares lilolo for 20 kwacha. Pomafika at the end of this year, that company yabanga bwino so much that their share price has increased to maybe 50 kwacha. So you have made double plus the profit if you were to sell. Okay. Number three is you can use your shares for collateral. So and you've got a good amount of shares, you can approach the bank and use my shares as a collateral rather than using your house. We all know most of the stories that have happened where people have lost their homes because they used manyumbao as collateral. So this is also another way to try and save your home, but you lose your shares in the event that you default the loan for whatever reason. My loan at Malawi, they don't give us insurance. If you become incapacitated, the insurance can cover your loan repayments for a certain period until you are able to recover. It's a very sad thing, but I hope my Reserve Bank economists, whoever is responsible, they can sit down one day and have this very necessary conversation. In the newspapers. It's heartbreaking. People work very hard for their money. Anyway, back to stocks. When you do make your investments, try and hold for at least a year. If you decide to sell, like after 6 months, hey company, let me sell ndabangandrama, MRIA is gonna you one time. They don't play when it comes to taxing you if you have invested for less than a year. So guys, please try and invest for a minimum of 1 year, and also just try and keep the shares, so that they continue to grow in the capital gains. We've all seen there's a lot of the companies have now released my report and they have done extremely well. So when you invest the money and let it hold, you will reap really good fruits at the end of the day. So patience is key as well when it comes to investing on the stock market. My one last point is the three brokers. Like I said, they will not charge you for opening the account. However, they do charge for the transactions. So if you are investing anything between 1 kwaja to 50 kwaja, actually from 1 tambala to 50 kwaja, they charge 2%. So Gaba Sandra Maja Amajot about 2%, and then the remaining balance is what is going to go in your investment. If you give them anything between 50 to 100,000, Amajota 1.50%. And then if you're investing anything more than 100,000 kwaja plus, all the way to however much, they take 1%. That is the amount that they charge you. So go and read more. Don't stop learning and don't stop investing. Don't get tired. Patience is key. Let us do these investments. Thank you so much, guys. And please remember to follow. Have an amazing weekend, and we'll catch up soon.